button. You know that, right?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Go to the next one. Okay. You go down that one? Alright.
Alright. Here comes Nikki Love.
Nikki Love.
Nikki, come on down.
What's she doing?
She's sitting there playing with her SpongeBob bracelet. And now she's going back in there.
Where are you going?
Boogie butt. Come on down. Yeah, good job.
Uh-oh. Where's your SpongeBob thing?
Didn't it come off like a while ago?
No. We had it on today.
Check. Oh, it's up here. I'll go get it. Here, Nikki, you want to hold?
Is it still recording?
Yeah. I'll get it. I'll get it first. I'll get it first. It's kind of unsticky.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Don't put your foot on the thing, honey. Okay. Where do you want to go, honey? You want to climb up that? Yeah, let me get Bill. Move your feet. Climb up there. Go up to B. Climb up to B. Careful. Good climbing, little monkey. So make sure you get ready to help her.
Monkey Nikki? Your monkey Nikki?
Okay, now where are you going? Oh, down there? You say hello.
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 I'm Dolly.
Yeah. Hello, Grandma. Hi, Grandma Dolly. Yeah, here we go. Let's go down the slide. Woo. Look at your hair. It's crazy. Where are you going? Is that your little house? Is that your little house in there, honey?
Look, Nikki B's up on top of you.
You want to come up here with B?
Hurry.
Oh, I didn't see that. What? Where are you going? Little actress? Oh, you're going to get B? Okay. Go climb up there and get him. Daddy will get it. Daddy will get it. Daddy got it. I'll give it to you when you get up to the top. Here, B will give it to you.
You want SpongeBob?
Okay, climb up to B.
Climb up to B if you want SpongeBob. Sure you want SpongeBob? Oh, good job. You got him. Good job.
Woo, that's pretty high, honey.
That is pretty hard.
Now where are you going? Hey, little actress. Where are you going now?
I'm gonna slide my U-hook down the slide.
No, don't break anything. There'll be glass all over. There's a chance. You're not taking that chance. It's stupid. Whee! Flying now.
My butt.
Your butt?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, what?
What's wrong, Nikki?
My favorite.
Your, what is that?
Forget.
Your SpongeBob thing?
Yes.
Oh, it is.
Uh-oh.
Maybe we should just hold on to that.
You got it. Good job.
Maybe we should just hold on to that while we're here.
What do you want to do? You like climbing on that thing, huh? Okay. Should we go through it or what is it?
Bye.
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 Saying hi, honey. Careful.
Bye. Bye.
Saying bye to the people over there, honey.
Bye.
You meet new friends.